Hey guys, so I have a question. Should I continue with more strategy videos, or should we start now taking trades? Because I've actually, in the previous videos, I've actually spoken about something that I use, something that I use, and something that works perfectly. So I'm like, do we continue doing strategy video, or should we now start taking trades together? Like on Monday we come together and say, like, we are doing a buy here, we buy there, and then we leave it. On Tuesday the same case. Or what do you want? If you want me to continue producing strategy videos, I'll continue doing so. If you want us to start taking trades, let me know, because I can do anything that you want. So by interacting more, we can now concentrate on my strategy. I show you my strategy. It's something simple. Don't even take a minute to analyze and to take trades. It's something very, very simple, very, very simple. So you don't need much. So let me know what you want by people interacting with this video, by people commenting, and let me know what you want, because I'm just putting this content out there because I want a community that we can trade together, because this thing is so isolating, and having people that you can discuss with, and I'll not try to sell you anything. I don't want to sell anything. I think the market should give us what we need. So I don't want to get into those groups that start selling stuff. I don't want to sell anything. I just want a community where we can take trades together, because I've tried being in such community, but there are others who are very complicated in their strategy, and there is a lot of guessing where someone said it may not, it may not. Me, I don't like those things. Is it going to or not? Because there is a strategy. That person looked so polished in the way he was talking, and I loved his concept, and I was like, I just found a community. Until one time we are like, are we doing this? Are we doing that? What are we doing? And a lot of may, and I was like, I'm not going to continue wasting my money in May. So I'm just looking for a community where we can interact, we can talk about the market, we can come in, say, this is what we are looking for, and it's not about me. This is what we are looking for, and this is where we are taking our entries. For me, the strategy I use, I want people to criticize it. I want people to say what they want about it, so that we can rectify if there is anything to add, if there is anything to rectify, so that you can move on. And I'm really hoping that this content will land on people who are serious, and people who want to commit to these things, and people we can combine strategies, and people we can share things, because I have several concepts. That's why I want, there is one that I use each and every day, and if you don't want to use it, you can say, I want to learn about SNL. Can you expound on that? And I will gladly do that. So today I said I will introduce about another EMA strategy, and this time we will be using, I want to show you the indicator that I want us to use. It is this one, 3 EMA. This is the person that so I just edited it. For the first one I put 16, the second one 32, then the last one 96. So this is scalping, and I prefer 5 minutes. And for me, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this is the 96 EMA. I want us to be above the 96 EMA, and I want us to be breaking a support or a resistance. So this is what I have here. This was the last support here. So when the market comes break here, it's above my EMAs. So I'm gladly taking this trade. So my EMAs are giving me directions. Have a good break here. This is why I'm taking my trade. And the EMA are confirming to me like that break is a good break, is a real break. There is a concept I will also talk about later about a real okay, let's continue. Here there is a good break. I'm taking this break, stop loss here, and we continue. So this is how I use the CMA, and they help me in scalping. I use them in different time frames. I can also use it in 15 minutes. That is what you use. You can use it in 15 minutes. The same with support and resistance, because support and resistance are, I think they are constants. You see here, we are bullish. We are still bullish. The market retraces, we break, you take with the break. You don't even wait for a retest. You take with the break because the direction is bullish. We have the 16, we have the 32 holding the market very well, and we have the 96. So we are bullish. So we are going to go with the trend. So these EMAs assist us to go with the trend, and we are not guessing a lot. And I think my strategy, this is what about the EMA, this is the EMAs that I use most. I used to use BTMM, which is also great, which I've also talked about here. And this, I find this simple and I find it so nice. If you are also doing the 1 hour, it will do the same. It acts the same way. Like here, this is today. So that I'm not giving you stories. This is today. I'm also going to talk about the real pullbacks, but not in these videos, so that you know which support is strong, which one is not. So you see this support, we broke it. I would have taken this with a break because of the EMAs. So a break, stop loss, and then we go. So tell me this is not a good strategy that you can use with a good EMA combination that you can use with anything that you want. So for this one, this was the real resistance. The best resistance was here, and no, it is here. This was for Friday. Okay, we break. You can take with a break because the EMAs are confirming we are above the 96, we are above the 16, we are above the 32, and there we go. You can see the way they are perfect with the direction. Here we are on a bearish market. See, we had a real pullback. A real pullback here. Don't know if you can see. A real pullback here. So this one is the perfect resistance. So at the break, I take it. I'm not waiting for any retest. At the break, the EMA are already confirming. So this works perfect. If you feel like backtest it and let me know. I've said I don't know everything, and the reason why I'm putting this content is because I want to have a group of people we can discuss and form a community together. So if you are interested, backtest this, correct it, let's discuss, and let's say how we can improve our strategy and how we can make money trading. So thank you.